'Tis the season to start decorating, and guys, FestiveBliss just sent me this. So it's 15 inches tall this way, 9 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. This would be such a cute gift for somebody. So let's have a look. Oh my God. And they have 2 different colors. This is gold and silver, and they also had red and green. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, these are adorable. These little donut ones. These were one of the reasons that my kids and I wanted this set. Oh my God. Oh my God, look how cute. Look at those little sprinkles. All right, guys, these are like next level. And then little candy canes. So there's 2 of those. 2 candy canes, 2 donuts, 2 of those, 1 car. A bunch of these little things that look like icicles. So you've got white, gold, and glitter. And I do love this too. They sent ties, you know, like so you can push it through and tie it to the tree. I love this because we are out of hooks actually. There's a lot of these little icicles. 4 little snowflakes. And then a whole bunch of these like little, there's white with glitter, and that looks like a little disco ball. I cannot wait to throw these on the tree. Oh look, it's a little Christmas tree. Stars. There's so many different varieties. Oh my God, look. Little hearts. Hearts, stars. Oh my God. And then like little disco ball, glitter balls. And then a bunch of like little white ones. Before I forget, if you had a smaller tree, I think this would be fine. But they also have this one, which is it's the same color, like champagne and gold. And if you bought this and this, now we have a 7-foot tree, that's what we're gonna use to do ours. Okay, if you were looking for a gift idea or even for the office, this is so, so cute. I love this.